welcome to Irrigation. We are here with the interesting topic of agricultural drones. Here, we will know about the uses of drones in agricultural activities, their benefits, about their price, and also about their legal allowances. The thing that how light will you feel when a laborers look after fieldworks are completed by flying machines within no time? Yes, use of drones can revolutionize agricultural processes. Now, let us know what actually drones are. Unmanned aircrafts are commonly called drones. They can range from a size of a small toy to that of a big plane, but it should be controlled from the ground with no human in the air. Drones are an important machines used in precision agriculture. They aid to maximize yield by reducing resource wastage and improves overall efficiency. Now let us have a look at 5 places where drones are used in agriculture. First is soil and field analysis. As drones are capable of providing us with a bird's-eye view of our field, we can get a 3D image of our field to plan cropping patterns, get detail about soil conditions, waterlogging situations, and plan our crop according to it. Second is crop analysis and health monitoring. After your crop starts to grow, you can keep a close and regular check of its growth rate. With sensors attached to the drones, you can easily differentiate water deficient areas, and above all, you can also even monitor their nutrient uptake and growth rate with spectral and thermal images generated from the drone itself. Third is irrigation and foliar spraying. Agricultural drones are also capable of spraying of water and nutrient solutions in a short time. The best application of drone is foliar spraying of nutrients, pesticides, fertilizers at a specific rate, reducing unwanted wastage. Fourth is detecting diseases and pests. Sensors attached to the drone and images generated from it will give you the information in no time about pests and disease attacks. You can devise an effective method of control either through by chemical or by manual means, or use the drone itself for it. Fifth and the last is post-harvest works and transportation. Drone can also greatly help in post-harvest works of horticulture, agronomical and other allied sectors. They can also help to reduce harvesting time and minimizes the post-harvest loss. Now let's come to the price and how much will a drone cost to the farmer. As the use of drones in agriculture is limited, the price for a capable drone starts from about $2,000 or say 1.5 lakhs Indian rupees, and they will have add-on features with increasing price. A better one will cost between 5 lakhs to 10 lakh Indian rupees depending upon the features. But just for monitoring purpose, lower priced drones with camera and some sensors are also available in the market. Now coming to legal allowances, there are certain general restrictions to be followed, and there are licensing authorities to authorize you for the use. The uses rules may vary from country to country, but there are some general rules also, so that you can't use them in densely populated areas or airport nearby areas. You must be able to respect others' privacy, and it is also prohibited to use in special security zones. Now let's see about the limitation of drones uses in agriculture. Unavailability of technical knowledge and higher costs has been a major limiting factor for its widespread use. Now, to conclude these sessions, drones can keep you in touch with the crops beginning from their rise to harvest. But due to some limiting factors such as cost and lack of technical expertise, we are unable to catch the development rate in agricultural sector. Finally, we hope to see greater improvement in agriculture within upcoming times. Thanks for watching the video. If you loved our presentation, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks.